Begin at the top of your mat in a mountain pose. Your feet are firmly planted and your palms are in a prayer position. Take a deep breath in as you raise your arms above head into a small back bend. Exhale, bringing your palms down to the mat. Deep breath in as you prepare for a low lunge. Deep breath in, plank position. Hold here, and as you exhale, bring your knees and chest onto the mat. Deep breath in as you bring the rest of your body onto the mat to a cobra pose. As you exhale, slowly push up into a downward dog. From here, take a deep breath in and prepare for a low lunge. Exhale as you push up into a forward fold. Inhale as you bring your arms up above head into a small back bend. And exhale as you return back to center before practicing on the opposite leg.